Hi, welcome to first episode of Kinemaster tutorial series. Kinemaster is a professional-grade video editing app for smartphones, and it's available for both Android and iOS devices. Let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna explain Kinemaster interface. First, let's open the Kinemaster. Here, tap the Create New button to start a new project. In this page, you need to choose the aspect ratio of your project. If your idea is to make a YouTube video, then you need to choose 16:9 aspect ratio. If it is a TikTok video, then choose 9:16. And let's ignore the other options for now, because 16:9 and 9:16 are the default options for most social media platforms. I'm gonna choose 16:9 for this tutorial, because I'm focusing on the YouTube video editing, and 16:9 is the default aspect ratio for YouTube. Then tap this next button to continue. Now we in the media browser. Here we can add photos or videos to our timeline. If you want, you can ignore this page, and go straight into editing page, by clicking this button. Because you can always add anything while you edit, I'm gonna add this footage for now. Now we are in the Kinemaster editing page. Right here in the center, is the video window. And down here is the timeline. Timeline is where you organize everything. Either it's video, audio, photos, effects, stickers or text. You can organize it all as layers in timeline. First layer is the main footage. Other layers stack on first layer. And this red line in the timeline is the playhead. I will explain more about timeline later. This is the media circle. From media circle you can add videos, photos and audios to timeline. The red circle in the middle is the capture button. Meaning, you can capture videos in your phone, right from the Kinemaster. And using this record audio button, you can record audio with your microphone. On the left corner of the interface, is the control bar. Here, first button is for go back to the start screen. And then, undo and redo buttons. If you make any mistake while you editing, these button will come in handy. Then the capture button, to capture screenshots of the video window. Next is the project settings button. Then the button to expand timeline. Right here below the media circle, is the assets marketplace button. Inside the marketplace, you can find effects, transitions, stickers and more for your project. And here is the play button. Then up here, is export and share button. You can find options for export your video in here. That's it for this video. I'm gonna explain more, in the next episode. So subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on this series. Also click this video to learn how to make YouTube thumbnails in your phone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.